Yo, so finally I can take the mask off. There's the bed, nice big bed. Got like a seating area for two here. TV. Should have brought my HDMI. I always forget my HDMI cable. Security box. They have a refrigerator. First impression of this hotel, actually driving up. This is a massive hotel and it's really fancy downstairs. But yeah, really clean, really nice design. So far, what I'm seeing is awesome. They also have hand sanitizer here. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna be here for like 15 days basically. Alright, I'll talk to you guys again afterwards. Good morning. It's Mark. Maakudesuyo. Yeah, it's day 1 of the quarantine. Basically yesterday was day 0. My tito, my relative who lives in Chiba, picked me up and dropped me off at the hotel. Thank you so much, Tito. Tito Leonard, shout out to you. If you're in the residence, or I'm not sure about the business track, but the residence track, you are not allowed to take the taxi, Shinkansen, regular trains, the bus. But there's something called the shuttle bus, the quarantine shuttle bus, which is misleading because the residence track people cannot get on it. So all you can do is get a hire car. It's basically like a private taxi, just for you. And the other thing is have a friend or family pick you up. That's it. That's all you can do. Or walk there. Didn't really want to do walking because I have 2 massive suitcases. So yeah. I got here at Hotel Mystays around like 9 p.m. and I thought I wouldn't be sleepy because I slept like 8 to 9 hours in the plane. But man, when it hit like 10 p.m. I was like, time to go to sleep. And yeah, I woke up kind of early though, like 6 a.m. ish. Yeah, this hotel's pretty nice. There is a gym, but the excuse now is that I can't use it because they close it because of COVID. Interesting thing here is what they do for the linens and the trash. They pick it up and drop off the new linen every 4 days. I don't know yet how that's gonna be like. I guess they won't really come in and clean it. So that's cool, so that I don't have to always interact with the housekeeping people. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna be 14 days of convenience store food. There's one downstairs, there's a restaurant, but it's probably expensive. Maybe I'll eat like once just to see what it's like. And I haven't worked out for like the past month. That's no bueno. So I'm gonna try to do some push-ups, burpees, and sit-ups. I'll do 200 push-ups alternating, so I won't be doing it every day. I'll do it like today, skip tomorrow, and then the next day, yeah, alternating. I'm gonna do burpees every day, and I'll do 100 of those. And then I'll do 200 sit-ups, yeah, every other day. Alright, so get on that before I have breakfast. Whew, I think that's 100. Yo! So it's still day 1. Took a shower. It felt so good because I didn't get to shower when I got home because got home. This is my home now. When I got to the hotel room because I just knocked out. I'm trying to raise my protein consumption. I actually wanted to bring a protein powder, drink a bunch of that so I don't have to buy a lot of food from the Kombini or whatever. That was not an option because both of my luggages were at 32 kilograms or about 70 pounds. The reason is because, let me open this. This is a mini appetizer set. It caught my eye because it has like mashed potatoes, which sounds good. Some karage, broccoli, and sausage and a pasta looking thing. On one of my suitcases, I have my camera lighting equipment, which are, you know, pretty cheap. So I don't really care if it gets destroyed. But basically when I finished packing that part of the suitcase, it already weighed like 30 plus pounds. And I hadn't put anything else that I actually, like clothes or anything. 50 pounds is covered by the ticket, by ANA. And then 50 to 70 pounds would be $60 per suitcase. 70 to 90 would be $200. Lucky Mark. Tomato. So yeah, it ended up being $60 for both of the bags, so $120 total. Tried to pack everything that I might need in those 2 suitcases. One of which I left with my uncle out here in Chiba because I will be moving around and I'll pick it up from him after I finish my quarantine. Ooh, karage. Kombini kaya. But yeah, going back, because of how heavy my suitcases were, I could not fit my protein powder, and that plan just didn't work out. Also, chocolates are heavy. I had to pack a lot of chocolates. Not for friends, actually for the staff of the people of the school that I'll be working at. Anyways, I'm gonna finish eating this. I tried to get protein and I ended up with roast beef. Some sort of a sauce. Ah! You guys didn't see that. Delicious. Softer than a lot of those cold cut roast beef stuff that I see in the US. Delicious. Alright guys, whoop. So it's nighttime. Around like 1 p.m. I knocked out for like 5 hours. I was just trying to take a nap, but I guess this is what they call jisaboke or jet lag. Anyways, I got a salad, sausage that can be microwaved in the package, scrambled egg type thing, and minced meat of some sort. Itadakimasu. This is day 2 of quarantine. Yesterday I didn't get to do the burpees, and I only did 100 push-ups even though I was planning on 200. You can do 100 burpees here. Nothing is as tiring as burpees. Here we go again. Massive water bottle. Shredded cabbage, some lettuce, and some chicken on it. Sesame dressing is good. Gonna try this now. This is chicken thigh. Oh my god, that is delicious. What the heck? And that's a Kombini food. Yo, what? Got that nice sweetness from the sauce, but man, the chicken is like really soft. This combo gets me all the time. That was amazing. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Here we go again. This is day 3. So what I have here, ikura rice ball, Pocari Sweat, and I got the salad again. Reduced sodium Japanese dressing. I like this Japanese dressing. I might like it the most out of the 3. It feels really weird being quarantined because it's like you literally can't do anything else. It's really boring because the point of it is quarantine. Actually, they're super lenient that I'm allowed to go downstairs and go get food from a convenience store. Heavy oil on that deep fried tonkatsu basically. Lots of ikura. Yeah. Yo, just got back in my room. I was walking around in the garden. I just noticed this. Mobile device cable. That's pretty cool. They provide this. which is you got the plug, and then connected to it you got the Apple cable, and you got the very common micro USB and the USB-C, and then you got, what is that? I don't know what that is. That's cool, they provide that. They replaced my water that was missing. And then really cool, I drank both of the green tea, they replaced it, they noticed that, and then both of the coffee, they replaced it too. And they cleaned this, that's awesome. They cleaned it good, and then they made up my bed. And they took out all my trash, which is great because trash accumulation is one of my biggest fears here in Japan. Also, since I'm already like here, let me just give you a tour of the bathroom situation here. I really like it. So, boom, you got this, you know, typical Japanese toilet. And cool thing is, this is the power's on and it's actually warmed. I sat down on it the first day and I was shocked. I was like, whoa, it's warm. I've had warmed toilet seats before, but I forget them when I'm in Japan. But yeah, and then it's got the bidet system. The thing I'm not used to is the flush is right here. And the controls are right here. Has it in English because there's a lot of foreigners here. This is very interesting. I had put the mugs here to wash them. And then they added coasters for them. That's cool. Yeah, pretty standard faucet thingy. I always like this about Japanese bathrooms, but like the faucet for the bathtub, also the bathtub is deep. This is self-explanatory because this is for down, and then when you pull it up, it's for, you know, this guy. And the cool thing is the pressure is really strong. Check this out. Oh, it's not like super strong, but it's strong enough. I'm in the 11th floor, and yet it's got that pressure. So all of those hotels that I've been to in a bunch of different countries, yeah, even in the US, I think, the higher the floor, the weaker the pressure. But yeah, really enjoyable bathing experience. I haven't used the actual bathtub, but I might on one of these days. Here we are again. Yo, every time I get tempted by that sushi, like I've had some of the best sushi in Tsukiji in Tokyo, but this still tempts me every time. I got that. I got me a hot boss coffee because I'm a boss. It reminds me of myself. It's a nickname I had in high school in the Philippines. Got me a salad. This one has like ham and some egg bits on it, so I didn't grab the dressing. I got me a rice ball with crab. A rice ball that totally intrigued me because it has cheese, even though I shouldn't eat cheese because I'm lactose intolerant. And some inari sushi. They gave me 2 chopsticks because they're like, yeah, it's gotta be 2 people eating that. No, it's just one. But I'm gonna pretend that you are eating with me, so here's your chopsticks. So sad. Delicious. Alright, let's try that out. Yeah, it really intrigued me because this was the only one there that was like this. It's got like this red. Well, you guys can't see because of, you know, the light. Oh, is it gonna change? Maybe. The color here is like reddish. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I want the light. I want all the light. Give me the light. Yeah. Lucky Mark. Interesting. Reminds me of like the cheese in the Philippines. Kind of like Velveeta type of cheese. That's interesting. Oh, that's what it says. Grilled barley and cheese rice ball. Let's try this crab out. Still good though. Anytime it's like the last one, I want to get it. There's that episode in Naruto when Choji talks about like, I think it's a filler episode, but I randomly saw it, where he talks about like the taste of the last potato chip is very different. So don't eat the last potato chip. He wants to eat it. I'm like the same. I like to finish the thing. Skerokuzushi. Alright, inari sushi. Juicy. I like all of them, you know? Usually in these sets, shrimp is usually my least favorite. Because the shrimp is usually like kind of on the dry side. I think this is saba. Let's try this guy out. Parang lasang tulingan. Ocean taste. Unagi, one of my favorites. Alright, that's pretty much it. Yeah, yesterday I was supposed to do the burpees and the 200 sit-ups. Didn't do the sit-ups. I'm so weak now. I have no pressure being in quarantine. It's because I've been so busy this year because of Amazon. There were just so many things going on and just all went by so fast. So now that I have like nothing to do, it's nice. I get to contemplate on a lot of things, reflect on a lot of things. It's a conflict in my mind. It's like, oh, why aren't you doing anything, man? It's like my body's like, what the hell? Well, you ain't doing nothing. And at the same time, it's like, nah, just don't do nothing. Don't do anything for a couple of weeks. Anyways, rant over. Be a boss. Alright, I'll come back in like a millisecond. Here we go again. I bought snacks. This is kalbi pizza potato. And I love this stuff. This is called kakinotane. And I got Kirin, one of my favorite beers. Also, I mean, I'm technically a kikizakeshi, so I should try sake that I find here in Japan. Boom. Cannot read this. Also, this glass that they have inside the bathroom, it's not glass, it's plastic. It's thick, so I think it's got a good mouthfeel. Kanpai. Poof. Ooh. It's a lot though, what the hell. A sharply fruity smell. Ooh, that's good. Karakuchi, definitely. It says karakuchi, which is dry. It's on the dry side. Good stuff. They don't have a lot though. That's like air.